welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. This is Stitched Up. Oh my word. You would think I would know that by now. Anyway, I hope you're all really well. I am back today looking all spring-like. Yes, finally, it is getting warmer and spring is here. I'm pretty sure of it. So yes, us in the north of the UK are finally getting some lovely sunshine and warm weather. And we love talking about the weather here in the UK, if you didn't already know that. So yeah, probably because most of the time it's not like this. And when it is, we can't stop talking about it. So yes, it's lovely warm weather. So I am going to jinx it because I'm wearing a lovely little top today. This is actually a Butterick pattern. It is, I can't remember the number, but I will put it down below. It's an old Butterick Gertie pattern. And I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. It's got this really unique sort of vintage style collar. It doesn't go all the way around. It sort of goes into the top of the collar just here. And then it has a little tie front situation going on here. These buttons were from Textile Garden a few years ago now. And it's made in this gorgeous yarn dyed cotton, and I'm just wearing it with my black denim shorts, which is just lovely. So I am going to jinx it. It's going to go cloudy and rainy later. Now I'm wearing a little outfit like this, but I'm just at home today. Got back from a lovely day in Leeds yesterday with my gorgeous Northern Soul sisters, Ruan and Tamlin. We met up for what felt like 5 minutes, to be honest, but it was a full day because every time we go to Leeds, we are pretty sure that the time zooms by quicker than it does anywhere else because it flew by. But we had a really lovely day, did some fabric shopping, but we'll talk about that later because when I got home last night, this was waiting for me, which is my Beyond the Pink Door subscription box. And this is the first one that has come direct from Andrea's new location down in Poundbury, which is a really long way for us. I don't think I'll be a regular visitor, unfortunately, because yeah, we're in the north and she is right down on the south coast, so it's a long way away. But yeah, lovely to get that. And I thought I would open it with you on camera today because those of you that have got yours already, which I'm assuming you have or you wouldn't be watching this vlog at this moment in time, will know that Ruan has done a special little project with this month's fabric, and she was very good yesterday. She didn't blab to me or Tamlin at all because we get the subscription boxes, and so we were trying to eke a little bit out of her all day because we knew these boxes had arrived while we were in Leeds and she wouldn't tell us anything. So I'm really excited to open this. I didn't open it last night. I thought I would save it for today. And yeah, I've had a really busy morning getting all of my Destash parcels put together that people bought from me on Sunday and Monday, and I'm going to take those to the post office after I've filmed this and I can get this up today. But yeah, we've had another new design of box. So this is Andrea's new box. Look, isn't it gorgeous? It's really nice. So I have no idea what's in here, no idea. Although, having said that, on Facebook, in the Facebook group, if you are a member of the Facebook group, please don't say what's in it. Most people are very, very good in fact, with regard to when they're talking about the box. If it's a fabric choice they're not particularly bothered about and want to swap, etc., most people do tend to keep it secret. But there has been one or two over the last few months that every single time they make a comment about some of the contents of the box or the colorways or whatever before everybody has got their boxes, and it's really frustrating. So yeah, I know that there are a pink and a blue colorway, put it that way, because somebody posted that in the Facebook group last night, which was lovely. But yeah, anyway, we'll move on, shall we? So there's a little sticker on there which says live. Does it say live? Yes, it does. It does say live. Live, laugh, love. Isn't that just the mantra of what we should all live our lives like? So I'm just going to try and get into it. Ooh. So inside we've got this gorgeous little box that comes like this with a really cute card. I love this. This is very Banksy, isn't it? A Banksy print. those of you that aren't in the UK will not know who Banksy is, but he's basically this incognito artist that does these random abstract designs. They just pop up somewhere on buildings in the UK very randomly, but they have a high value now, and every time they do one, or every time one pops up, people are all, oh, it's a Banksy, and he does say whether it was him or not that's done it, but nobody really knows who he is. So anyway, so that in this month we have, which is box 27, we have 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 3 colorways, and then we've obviously got the QR code on the back here, which we can scan to go to the ebook that Andrea puts together. And then inside here, we've got all our little goodies that I can share with you. And today, I'm not going to apologise for rustling, because just turn your volume down a little bit if you don't like it. Oh, I've just seen the fabric. Oh my word. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Ooh! Okay, before we get to the fabric. So in here, oh, look at this. We've got a Poundbury wax melt, which is gorgeous. Let's have a look. Ooh, that smells really nice. I wish there was smell-o-vision. I don't know what flavour it is. Hang on. If I turned it the right way around, it would... I don't know. I don't think it tells you what flavour it is. Does it? Or does it? No. It doesn't say anything on the label. It just says... In fact, let me get my specs, because that would help, wouldn't it? Specs on. Okay, so it is from... Oh, it's Rhubarb. The Rhubarb Candle Company. I don't think it's a rhubarb flavour. Yeah, the Rhubarb Candle Company. And it's the Poundbury. So I'm assuming the flavour is Poundbury. It smells really nice. Really lovely. So thank you for that little gift. That will be going on my burner at some point. And then we also have a pack of Universal Machine needles, which is fantastic. Always useful. Oh, there's a little card here from the Rhubarb Candle Company. Look, so I'm assuming they're very local to where Andrea is now in Poundbury. And it says on the back, the Poundbury wax melt, floral notes of magnolia, violet and rose with a heart of orris wood and fragrant orris root. Oh, do you know, honestly, orris root and fragrant woods. So it says cut into 4 pieces and put a piece in the wax melter. Plastic free packaging is compostable, and we have been given a 10% discount code off our first order as well, which is really lovely. So the Rhubarb Candle Company are an eco soy candle, perfume, wax melt and home fragrances. So that's really lovely. I will go and check those out. Thank you very much. And then we have this month's Gutermann thread, which is going to say what colour fabric I have. It's this gorgeous violet purple colour. Oh, hang on, something else. A little sweetie lolly. I can't, Chupa Chups these are, aren't they, I think? Something like that anyway. And then the fabric. The fabric. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Are you ready? Are you ready? Da, da, da. Look at that. It's beautiful. This orange is coming up very neon on screen. Honestly, it's not that neon in real life. So this is purple and orange. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's viscose and it is stunning. I love it. I am going to get this in the washing machine right now, because I've just put some washing in the washing machine. I was going to switch it on. And then I thought, no, I'll just wait till I've filmed this, because I don't know what the fabric is, and I've put darks in. So I thought if it's a dark fabric, I can stick it in. And it is. So I can put this in with my washing now and get it washed, pre-washed, and then I can start making something. I think I'm going to have to make this up straight away, because it's so, so nice. It is gorgeous. I love these colours together. Beautiful. So this is a fabric from, I think it's a poppy fabric actually, and the only reason I say that is because of what it says on the selvage, and I'm sure poppy fabrics say that on their selvages normally, but yeah, gorgeous. I don't know how she does it, but she does it every single month, and I love this fabric. So I'm going to have a look at the ebook with my cup of coffee that I've got here while my washing is on, and enjoy the rest of the morning in the sunshine, I think, and get out on my patio, which will probably be the first time this year. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this quick unboxing from me today. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.